I've just found out a charr Timmer Tasha. Conan just found out Gira Teresh coach Olas Intacha Amshu. It is not cultural appropriation for Irish people to get a mohawk.
Katia.
Maar wie mohawk sig na hernie ag na geel gavi le blinohen.
No, I'm actually sure,
Wikipedia. I do all my Silawati wine research like 2 minutes before the show.
It's my shen because we miss a goal mac galager and mar pace cultural appropriation at the Eden. So
yeah, I know. I know you better not be caught dead appropriating anybody's culture on SAMB.
Ag Lord's faoi ag Janu research gabhfuil mate rough just nervy and computer research who me share and Google agus in Google newsfeed agus honach me seo agus seo go bheith controversial but honach me an alt seo san Irish Times faoi influencer seo agus like ag Janu and ja scíla nuachta faoi an dói a hug she and maher da a surrogate pastji a vi arabas Ukraine di ghreann, and I was like we she jumped on mark like aren't she in good deed show. I was like shot it ass like I just husky me
situation
husky me commentary like nis moja said out dirt say you're a will me leis Anna don chéad Jirek sola rogu manin that be a sogum gur dinge jazz avion like will to lay Jirek sola rogu don nin like
sorry to say do you know son Neil Klugum when a mochu han fada veo guest again dátaí, you know, fair play Viva Neil and Chomh like fair play Viva. I wonder what that's like. That must be a crazy word. Wow, what a word to live in. What a crazy
word. Just we may gear like blending sweetman statements.
Norman, you're gonna get us cancelled with your with these blind statements, like you know.
Just you're a Yamish and just Lynche le gestin me, and I was
like, what's it? What would be a good South Derry sort of statement for that there? What would be a good South Derry statement? If you read that there, what would be a good South Derry statement? You know, if somebody sitting in the bar or in the cafe having their wee cup of tea in their fry, might they say when they read that there? One of the old hands. What would the old hands say that there? Like what kind of shit, you know, what kind of dismissive comments do the old hands have in South Derry?
I'd say Virginie smó na Janu intas Gedarlian alle Hidsterod.
What kind of things do they say, Con? Do you know? Do you have any on your Erdalawa? Will there be Erdalawa?
Hedeglum swinchier rod o warmachion.
Okay. Gonna have to come back to that. We're gonna have to edit into this moment. We're gonna have to edit in one of those there, otherwise it's a waste of 1 minute.
No,
we're not. Yeah, no, shouldn't have what a situation.
Yeah.
What is could you hear the question? Hey kids, meet your uterus.
Ke an van seo tána ina cunní sa teachlan a bhathair. Like
We shouldn't laugh. It's a terrible situation. It's just, wow, how far back, is that normal?
Like,
Is that normal?
Neil Sogam, like, that like, can then you agusage and corp that you like, can you renting it? Like, it's hashtag like, well,
I know, and yet, Shannon do an van sin a chud ghreá, sort of the négan a usage in a chorp a hanya grace, it was really mar sin. Agus, yeah. Who am I to judge? Who am I to judge? It's just. I think what and Rud at Jack or Deuce a Hegval na. That's just that situation.
No, and Rud is Jack or Deuce like. Also good near then you a Yanni Rudden Jack for the henya like aber pizza ever le Janu de Jack like August what hin contact nacrome and Yanni what sort of man am I? I can't do the plumber in the house.
Yeah.
Was like near town plumber and Shen August Tashi meaning that and fuck's sake. The car go making out with the shin and Yanni.
Yeah.
But sure, like but then Black and then you attack leis Tommy Safta and then you Shaw Yanni Mahon like Shin.
Well, Colin, whenever we're married and we can't give our wives wains, that's how we'll feel whenever our new friend that lives in the house comes. The postman or whoever.
Oh, it's a car just shot.
They call them a bull these days. they're a dagon and ram.
Her whole two skills should real. Neil sung connect your home, yeah. We ban and tack hard and canter August Hannigan AI man done chéad done a bat August hugging Sean Vanny is Jack's a chat August be like coat hanger Aaron while August dirty listen yar heglat the hudge rishti a crocu Shaw.
You wonder if that opened ag an am sin I wonder ar hosaí daoine ag smaoiní faoi doin éagsúla chun leanamh bhreithú ag an am sin.
Gur hosaí daoine.
Jesus, I wonder if this will work for me. Sort of job. Can I hosaí sin? When did the old AI start going around?
Neil Sogam, Bajers na Hoctady, Bajers na Nohady.
Anyway, do you think like I was trying to make this into a segue into our topic of conversation.
Come on, John
It'd just be too weird.
John Andrew Marby into Goni Torchamak and Doya Yanam and segue. Come on.
This very hard to go from bizarre situation like rescuing your surrogate mother from a war-torn situation to live with the children that bear your parents. The artificial insemination and now into this lovely.
Okay. Johnny much editail and made sin or fad. Okay.
No.
Okay. Oh, AI.
That's the same as your first date, isn't it? Artificial insemination. It's the same as your first kiss.
Artificial love setups. Liam.
Oh dear. Can you arú do chéad data agad Conan?
Chéad data. Oh. Leis níor na rá harú chéad data agam.
Conan anú data riú agad. I know data real well.
Bhí. Ach, feadh tamó.
Your mother doesn't count. Go on.
Feadh tamó bhí an dearcú go leaidir agam nar gur rud ceimhne an data gur rud Americanach an data agus han dóid nádartha le buú le mrá a bhí an. So sin an dearcú bhí agam.
Yeah, sin an dearcú bhí gap in nura has and perhaps in year and even we the well first she was by the chéad said
ach daithre ma ensin your bhí mé ag leo lower fa ceol tradiisina an olu.
I'm glad you finished that. But you're about to say, I started reading this book on how to meet women.
No.
And it said that you should ask them out on a date. August, I'm hearing, wow, that's fucking crazy.
But
what's a date? What's a date? This thing that's called a date. Daddy, have you ever done a date?
The in Lorsa ag Lord faoi tradition vigilacht Tyrone agus Nora agus Tyrcana agus ag Parchanteach bhí sé He'll sogamach bhí segue is Jack agus bhí sé Lord faoi daine ag cur ceist ar gine ar bhile siúl amach lom like just té trónanteach agus té fenne siúlaide and I was like so heag leat ará gur rud duhusach an data so.
It's okay it's not appropriate. Not appropriate to your culture. Talks are in. Dating official dates are in. You can go for a romantic walk with the sex of your choice. It's okay. Like, I want to meet a woman, but I don't feel right. It wouldn't feel right. I don't want to, that's somebody else's culture. I can't be at that crack.
Rava shan Beiger gur feck me ban and tact suus the car. Ach, I had the justification. Niche and data, just
artificial insemination. That's what.
So and you do and
Colin hog tossa Humming tossa Toyota picnic. They're humming.
Yeah.
Was that your first car?
Yeah.
Did you do? Yeah, me and Colin both drove the same first car, 6 or 7 seater Toyota picnic. Before the show, made my fucking my wallpaper stuck in your
yes.
Hey, Virginia, picture I doing you, and there was sunroof fucking.
Hello.
Be sunroof fucking you. So it's a couple of Kevin Lumsey Hawaiian, which is a Chomh Street Maharafilch in the big old family wagon, kind of McGilligan and Cormac Quinn hanging out the top. Yeah.
But
I hope to in your base Sacharshin.
But I got sheer it was deadly like where they so much amach was like cougar so cool and just sliding around and Rod is granner quick scale for to a picnic and Rod is granner a harla do said picnic be much our late in the Sierra Misha Oshin said Dan he said Condy and Clark we much galga the cliffs of Moor was a good die one na balti and shan can you bog agus níl glór spás when you ghá charr. Well, so bhí me sé ag fanacht ar an car seo a gáil haran agus white transit van a bhí an agus chuir sé síos an funneog agus daine don locht siúil a bhí an agus tuir sin are you selling the car? I was like, no. He says, I'll buy it off you now. I'll give you a good price for it. Are you buying the car? Are you selling the car? I was like, no, I don't think so. He says, I'm mad after that car. Will you sell me it? And I was like, no, it's le ma hushmori in car shop. So begging the human charade, but Henry switching me chordú and charr yield and leis.
But in the shock on it's just
Yeah.
into way in southern accents. I can't do it. But in the shock on in between kid data in some toilet picnic, or maybe it wasn't in the toilet picnic.
Like ní dhearthann gur data a bhí na carna like an ear of just beidir go chur mé Snapchat ag banach agus tar mé are you doing anything this evening agus dúirt si Neil agus dearthann ar bhfuil at go finne spin sa car, so just rahinn higa teach agus bring text team way agus an sin beidir ceann acu for much chips ceann acu just for much curtain spot ar an mhóthir rudí den tuairt sin harú rudí costal a dátaí on like ní bheithnig choir sa cinema, but ní bheithn ag Jack finne bélion or rud Jack.
You know I love to get deep.
Yeah.
Sure, ken doing that datation. Was there romantic intentions involved? Yes.
Yeah.
Did you do an activity together? Yes.
Like
Did you go for food?
Major choir bhfuil.
So who should find you be? Agus an nominee be ghrá a gist, shachas ghrá romancio. Agus chréithní siad a póg or whatever. That's a date. Sure, you might not have left the car. Sure, you might not have been in love. Ach, wie data duhusach.
It's fair sin.
You rode up to the house in your brown mare and you asked the lassie out and you took her down to Kilray Fair and to the market.
Yeah.
Took her for a dance.
I don't think go row dátaí agam actually, but bhí agus bhí dátaí agam. Okay.
We're dangerously close to running out of time. So, Conan, who was your first date? No names, because I don't want to be sharing anyway.
Okay.
Let's make up names.
Aberlum faoi de cefni, like mar like the kid na bhalla like Neil Sogum.
Okay, in chéad data. Seantas first to do some or sin grew tusig tuga na ma way solar hosi mesha Janishan. Arguably I've never done that. Arguably I've never done that.
Arguably I've never been in love.
Arguably I'm dead inside, but you know that's maybe we should just continue this track, I don't know. The kid data rugam sa rio kid can ceart bhí mé fiche is no bhí mé níjig Shade, no, I was fiche bhí mé fiche bliana díos. Yeah, come back from the Basque country every summer. You've always got 3 or 4 women that you're on to at that age. Agus the 3 bra on the ganam shin agus kin I knock you beyond the logam on to bhí mé dig pugail on and off near a veil with your mel first agus stuff mar shin agus a caint le CV, and then I was like, oh Jesus, maybe this is the girl I go on a proper American date with, you know. When and Lar fad Cormish Kester he need her. And then what's going my shoes? So it was like imagine no, you know when you're waking up on Christmas Eve.
Yeah.
You're trying to put in the whole day, trying to make the clock tick faster.
Yeah,
you wish the clock would just go faster so it could be time to go to bed. So that's how I felt. I felt like, Jesus, why can't it be 7 o'clock yet? Agus who me fin je bar gruge, Channy me per tracks bottoms new. Got my favorite hoodie ready.
Yes.
Bought some new deodorant, because you know the deodorant that was almost new just wouldn't have been as fresh.
No. The links
Have to
after
be
into the shindy.
have to have your perfect Snaphiel disco mood up. This is proper Snaphiel gear. Agus ní room a shake Chomh chicken amshin. I didn't have my license till 21, which is probably why I wasn't picking up women before you. Agus hoog shisha me. So dirt mission lay me a hoogail hard for me or hulu much more because I just didn't want to have to go through that.
Kinach. Overlong.
Glen Chapel.
out of any main road.
Well, you know safety. Well, sometimes people have horrendous sense of direction, indiscriminate of sex or area. Yeah. Sometimes they have horrendous sense of direction, and I just choose that place. August, walked into the cinema. We walked down to the very front, and all you hear is, oh, fucking hell, there he is. Lame! Agus bhí mar charr fad mar quadria, bhí mar charr fad ag an cool.
Oh no.
I told them I'm not about tonight, lads.
And there was happy. There was happy grew to go.
Dual Laughlin normally knows what I'm at because he can tell. But yeah, so he kind of half knew. He apparently wasn't very good at being indiscreet about it. And then Dagsi me husig ma chach agus in the agus muidig pugail in sin driveway in sin stride agus vi single lads cuz he be your one obviously. Obviously agus in and data be should like a caint le he and data. It's quite like funny.
Or what he do broado na nari.
Oh, it was the best day ever. Manhood. Agus vi muidir shráidig pugail agus muidig pugail rinne the lads galop hart fall lei. People on board. The route around fall lei Ranaghan and Ballynock is about 5 kilometers, so you have to purposefully drive around 15-20 minutes. You know. So sin an chéad data. Well, and my mother obviously vi ma wather if you laugh for a clegg out the window, out the curtains. Like, my son, go my son. Nah. Tell me about yours. What else to shock list tip?
So fi rings kill agam like nachro more and dula agams na mra. Like just fi sure rahi me amak fan hanya. Like the wine and kid kinda is Kevin them. Vi me ni ro me ag chomint ra ada again ach who me ge resharken agus feck me in ban saw suas agus I was agus who me dini ra rava about picking girls up or lifting girls, so I was like sure okay me a yanu agus in chen your vishi se car haro sogum kje a chordu a yanu. So I was like okay who me dini ra we curtain spots, so came me kionaki shaw amshi. But ni rume go rudder VL I didn't know clugum like go fin you be in check machine. So we must just like Chomh, so like okay can't write much. So Hussy may go draw Mahara is like okay pass a couple of cool valley and shaw a higlum goal, so who may go at your wine as August Harrow Octogum Harranch Stack, so I was like, okay, let's give on Raven. Who may have got you? August said August and Chen, okay, Harrow and Octogum Harrod, so Hannock me Goody and Tree, Goody at you, August Huckle and Bet, Shul, His Goody, and Owen again at you. I was like, shot at moi. So I was like, why not? And one effect, so for much amach an car agus hiú much she's good and agus for me and curtains and I was like, yes, this is what it's all about.
My who.
You want much rash? And I was like, okay.
Eat the why. So Corinne she's our sin mar can you data but en is du van chéad data cheart en hoe sé moile clia no
Well, hog a rag to be kill gum agus main in all
it's far too deep lap
a re entirely you're not room my clear action and chéad data ro do logum sa van
I am moile clia
yeah but have be mesh mahoney so while agus vi se in a coney so while faster so
agus New Jersey a dual that leis an focal burley you said ní use it of burley Hambury you fancy there like
ní me se tá chur bhirle ma hud gilaga achtosa
dual fancy you fancy there be dual and dual granchi
at a notion of her ho
yes
so in at bulu le chéile at an teach idir mar bhí much cinneal fáile na chéile so hockey much go raithí much birch go bailile clia an was ach ghreá was excellent. so bhfuil much le chéile tí muí de bus aras an bailile clia agus an sin smith me raithí much go dtí comínam díal achtar ná bhí comínam díal Harú take John fan henne so
either really good or anyway
agus an sin Harú take ar fáil fan henne so hu much in at go dtí an dú so tá sé asteach like bí me gona an bhealach sin an isis har bheith like 3 years sa teachn ó like comínam go dtí parkin in eske ag sin hiú mé sin sol ru choní or an mai clia
so sin an chéad leis an Kelling shop
yeah
sin go sum kin Kelling moment caint fásta
agus hu much hegin zoo agus bhí lá jazz agus hannig much birchrás wasna defriúla thuéis so
cén rud is ru mansúil an aran tú nó dhearanda tú dá Kelling nó dá data nó baine data nó danígan Dar that's it's like a spectrum there's no judgment
okay so chéad data a ri na bliana tender curhin air
blian sogan you
blian sogan bhí me
garhouse
bhí a gcónaí dúlagam gol gataí céistíos sráid Camden so bhí me text an bhain seo ó Kildare agus dúirt mé le asir raithí much go céistíos dé hinne agus so bhí sé den ósagam go get bag lua scoitan na dheanú Jan ken go bhil sihan agus a lehéid agus bhí mé ar ma bhealach agus chur si céistorm Cassidy's a lar na carrack mar de Cassidy's eile necklace and lefe and I was like oh shit so hockey me okay rahi mudge sin so hosi me ghrí go dtí Cassidy's co gas agus holam agus fur me on just direct solo ru se on agus
Heglam tú how an grúg fada ag etalt
yeah agus
racing through the streets of Dublin
me corralish on a ná gan ruddy and rud is romantial around me
yeah it's sweaty long haired Irish man I can chat. You meet them at the bar and ask for a pint of stout ASAP. Down to the thirst on them.
Voor die punten smadics.
All for me. I think do so.
Totha Aberdom and data is and rud is romansula runti or data.
So grammar because he must grow me into romansula Johnny Shaw, but dirt me lama highly naam BC go to London agus dirt me lehin that joculum taranal than Jerry Shackney of Rehla. Seki the Jerry Shackney of Rehla. Or we may go done PGC exam agus we may clacked chagas can there a whole pile happening. But Garunda Herme Teka Genaria do him. Remy in Kenya couple of la Revan Rudd agus Herme Chak like a harler ago make Chak bar can no surprise. Sean he had girlfriend Rio was Niru probably didn't really think about things too much. Sweeney Misha Gameo should talk that there's a Brontonus Canacti. Your Sweeney Misha Gameo say talk that there's a Carta Canacti because you Jack steady did your like 3 Shackney, no Kerry Shackney. No, gas Shackney. We were steady. I just thought no, that doesn't warrant anything. I don't want to. I was very wrong. Near like she intercepted me. I just got her because near like 6 minutes and counting. It was near 2 another bit. It's 6 months later on my birthday. What she cart to do because brought in a sugar stuff because I was like, yeah, this is what you expect after 6 or 7 months of being in a steady relationship. This is appropriate. I remember thinking this is
Cheerio lad.
Hold on, what do you hear? Hugsy cart to do. Listen on, she goes to Liam from the forgotten to Liam, the birthday king. From me, the forgotten birthday queen. I was like, what the hell's that about? She's like, you never got me anything for my birthday. Came back to bite me in the ass. I was in the bad books for the rest of the week. But not the rest of the week. I was in the bad books for the rest of the day. So I went off on my own. She went to work. And I went out and I bought a vase of her favorite flowers, a vase of her favorite flowers and a couple of things. And I left them on her bed with a card. And when she came, I was away and she came back and she went into a room and all these things were there. And then she was like, she loved it. So I turned it around, guys. Remember, you can always turn a bad situation around.
and Jig lad inchid duna éistrí fan data in her hogrí tú go lé tú leor Rusach ra bhré agus tú ag fannachte.
Ní me sin mo chunaí le conam agus bhí data agam le cailín níos sinne na mé híon agus óhad níos how do you say successful? Óhad níos
Trahola? No?
No. Is it?
Rahola?
No, that's like current. Rahul is current.
No, but R-A-T-H.
R-A-T-H.
Yeah.
Rahul is current, no. Kursi Raha.
Kursi Raha, but R-A-T-H. Kursi Raha is R-E-A-T.
Why, Rahul? Awadnish Rahul and I'm here. Go professional agus rohíh argante agus chuisigin bhí dúlaí an. So important to bring in the big guns.
Liam puts himself down.
The only thing that I had in my possession, I thought, was my giant cranium. I need to pretend like I have a giant cranium. So when she's taking library bar, go hintach le agus the pair brúga jasa arm jeans lane, you know, out there. But we nondescript book, we lure bogogum in the back pocket. Joseph Conrad's response to Trotsky's War and Peace. nothing like a bit of 19th century, early 20th century translated Russian piece. So a penguin classic. Agus Chomh an tabla, opened in the middle, just anywhere in the middle. I just put it down the table in the library bar by the fire. I had a glass of hot port in one of those in every glass.
Sophisticated.
Sitting there. And dúirt sí dom grúsaí in san perignim hí staire. I made sure I was going to be away at the toilet when she came in. So I says, I give hug me an ice go here hug me an ice tea dirt me. Okay, tell me I'm here and Kaiher Ilnach Shaw Tiblish and Chenya. Tasuk and Kyon Shin so Hulmisha Arashun Lakers with tonic me Chomh Shisi Gorker and Lore Agus and Joh Agus and Min Gaira all Warshaw earthy. And yes, it all worked very, very well.
near Lucia van Loor radiation just
no, but she looked very impressed.
Yes.
If you prepare well, you don't have to do any work. So that's a message for life.
Yeah.
Only applied that to teaching, like. So anyway, to come to Galeogin, in a real boil at a rack on. Brooks Gullion. Your work to your Eurovision.
RR. We made click.
Yes, there was a mission over, but Dort Misha and Fishan August hidden me Garushi in the way. She's a really good performer. Really good be for performer now, Kenra. She near Lehi, it's more true.
Rodella. If me go ra. Tommy go Cliche Dora and Jerry Shock and Shaw, but she heart near tan, put Killer Shaw and Mark. The glory days are back.
You're going to the here. See in ye and 12th of May. It's a very strange day for Jerry. Well, strange day for any belay. Mar in ye shin like a lot for Frank Hughes was a lot for Sean Brown was August and la Brooks Gullion the call again Eurovision. It's quite strange, isn't it?
Consonant.
There's three things on BBC News. Two top stories was Blahi based. And I was like, that's pretty coincidental. And then I looked at the date and I was like, wow, this is Blahi Day. Anyway, Shin Wudge.
Yeah, Shin Wudge. Sana Carter from Moiga Vas. Slán.